guys, I'm back with the Manny. So we have a collection here from Madam Glam. This is the Secret Garden collection. It comes with 6 holographic cat eye gels and 6 cream gels and 2 no wipe top coats. So the first color that I showed is Tidal Glow. It's a cream baby blue gel. This color is April Showers, which is a holographic bright blue cat eye gel, and I swatched them off camera. And so I was like, oh, this is a massive collection. So I swatched it on itself and then I swatched it over Tidal Glow. The next color is Springtime, which is a cream pastel grass green color, excuse me. And so again, these colors are perfect for spring. The next color is Lime Flash, which is a holographic vibrant green cat eye gel. And I'm just showing you here. I'm just trying out this new magnet that I got off, I think Temu or Shein, one of these. And so, yeah, really pretty. The next is Sunshine Love, which is a sunny pastel yellow. And each cream color had a corresponding holographic cat eye gel to go with it. This color is Bedazzle. The name pretty much speaks for itself, but it's a holographic gold cat eye gel. Really pretty. This next color is Bunny Bliss, which is a cream pink candy shade. Again, all these are perfect for doggone spring. The next one is Blush Twinkle, which is a holographic soft rose cat eye gel. Really pretty as well. Coming up, we have Tulip Flame, which is a shade of red, but it pulls pink to me. It just looks like a darker shade of pink versus red. Now the holographic cat eye for this one was a little darker than I expected. Glazed Candy, which is a holographic red cat eye gel. Really pretty as well. And as I mentioned, each cream shade had a corresponding holographic cat eye gel. The last two colors are Lilac Bloom, which is a cream pastel, of course, a lilac gel. Pretty as well. And I was trying to figure out what can I do to incorporate all of these colors. Heavenly is the last color in the collection, which is a holographic lilac cat eye gel. And of course, this collection came with 2 no wipe top coats. The first one is Love Sprinkles. And so Love Sprinkles is a no wipe top coat with pink and blue larger confetti pieces, so that would look good on top of this pink. That's pretty. You can even put it on top of the yellow, but it has pink and yellow holographic pieces on there, and it looked good on top of Tidal Glow, which is the cream blue. The next color is Glam Sprinkles. Again, this is a no wipe top coat with pastel pink, blue, and yellow tiny glitters, and I'm just showing you them over the colors. Really pretty collection, a large collection. So thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these polishes. And so we're going to go ahead and get into this application. So y'all, I do have some tips here. We're going to use 6 colors. So right now I'm going to use Bunny Bliss, Tidal Glow, and Lilac Bloom. And we're going to do a 3-color ombre on the nails. So this mani is an Easter themed mani, and so we're going to do some Easter egg nails. And as a reminder, Madam Glam polishes are vegan, cruelty free, TPO free, 21 free formula, and HEMA free. And you cure these polishes in an LED lamp for a full minute. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. And so with the 3 colors, and I don't show all nails on camera because all nails are the same. And I will be using my Madam Glam's ombre brush. So I've already applied a layer of base coat off camera and cured for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So I'm going in with Bunny Bliss. Again, that's the pink shade. And I'm applying that to the bottom part of the nail. Again, these are going to be Easter egg based nails. And so next I'm going to go in with the purple shade, which is if I'm not mistaken, Lilac Bloom. And I'm going to paint that. Well, actually no, sorry, I go in with Tidal Glow, which is the baby blue cream gel, and I'm applying that to the middle nail. Then I'll go in and on the tip of the nail go in with Lilac Bloom, which is the cream pastel, and then we're going to get into ombreing these nails. In this part, I did not speed up. Y'all, I be going slow. This is why my videos are sped up. So, but the rest of it is sped up after this. And so once I get all three colors on the nail, I'm going in with my Madame Glam's ombre brush. And you can see it has those little kind of missing bristles to help with your ombre. And I've seen some people ombre dry, and I've seen some people ombre with a little bit of base coat, or sometimes they'll put the colors on the nail. Whatever works best for you, whatever works best for you, but this works best for me. So I'm gonna start with the lighter shade, and then I'm just gonna go across and just blend that color as good as possible. And I only do one coat of this, and since I'm going in with the other colors, I do wipe my brush off on the paper towel there, because I don't want the pink in the purple, because they're nowhere near each other. And so I'm just blending that on the nail. I'm not looking for a a seamless transition, because again, I'm going to do something else on top of these cream colors. I just wanted this as the kind of base to the nail. Again, the almond shape is perfect for Easter egg nails. And so after this, the rest of the video is sped up, and I really didn't have to go back in to reblend, so to speak, because again, I'm going in with the holographic gels to finish up the nails. So initially with the nails, I did have a pink and a purple, but I went ahead and did all of the nails the same. And so I'm going in with the corresponding holographic cat eye gels, and again, the rest of the video sped up. And with that nail that is ombre, I'm going to go in and put the corresponding cat eye gel on top. And one thing that I forgot with some of these nails, I forgot to doggone magnetize the polishes. And I was like, oh my gosh, because I did the other two nails off camera, because when I finished the set, I didn't like what I did when I had just the two solid color nails. And so I'm going in with those. You can see already this is pretty to me. Y'all know with Easter eggs, you can have all kind of patterns, all kind of colors and things like that. So I'm going back in and I'm ombreing these colors together. Now, ombreing the holographic cat eye gels were easier. They blended better, and you didn't see such a harsh line with the blending. And so yeah, I thought these were pretty. Again, Easter egg nails. And so we got to go in and finish these up. And so once I get that blend the way that I like it, I'm going to go in with my magnet and magnetize this nail. And so again, with this magnet, it has the solid magnet on the end, and on the other end there's a floral or the magnet that you can do the flower pattern. And with the holographic gels, the best way for these is just to magnetize. Don't try to do any patterns or things like that. I tried, but I couldn't get it. And it could be in sorry, my skill level. So I had another magnet, because I was like, is this magnetizing? But it did. The first magnet worked fine. And so again, I'm just going along the whole nail, curing that for 60 seconds. And so again, the pink and purple nail, I didn't like it. So I wanted to do an Easter egg type nail. So that pattern there, this is an Easter plate from What's Up Nails. And so I decided to kind of just put polish on the part or the design of that nail that I wanted. I didn't want to put that whole design on the nail, because I felt like it would take away from the cat eye look or the magnetized look of the gel polish. So I'm just kind of putting the stamping polish on part of the image that I want, picking that up, and then I'm just going in with the edge of that card and removing the lines that I want. And I had to do this several times because again, I do all nails like this, but I choose a different pattern of that image, and I'm just going to stamp it in on the part where the colors blend together. And so that's the first stamp, and I was like, oh, that's really cute. And I go in and repeat that process, cleaning my plate with acetone in between each layer. And so that's because I use that one image on the plate for every nail. But again, I choose a different part of the image because I wanted each nail to be slightly different with the pattern. And so again, I had to repeat some of the patterns. And so with the pinky, I think I ended up getting that cricket. I fixed that off camera because you can see it's kind of lopsided. And here is where I forgot to, this is after I decided to do all of the nails. Some of the nails I forgot to magnetize. It still looked pretty to me. You can just see that some are magnetized and some are not. And so again, I'm just repeating that process. And this can be a little tedious. And with me using the scraper card to remove the image, For this to work properly, you need to clean your scraper card too, because after a while you're running out of free edges to wipe off the image from the plate. And typically I don't have to rock back and forth, but I wanted to get those lines on the nail as straight as possible, because sometimes when you're stamping lines, they can get a little wonky if you you know, the way you, depending upon the way that you put it down. You can see here I took off too much of that image, and I was like, crap. So this was a little, yeah, this is a little tedious. My thing got cut off. I accidentally cut myself off while talking, which is hilarious. But yeah, so yeah, like I said, this was a little tedious, but once I got the flow and how I wanted to do things, it turned out fine. And so you can see I'm very careful about how I place the scraper card down. Sometimes I didn't get close enough. Sometimes I got too close and removed the line. But you know, once you got the hang of it, it was good to go. And so I'm pressing that on the nail, and I'm repeating that for the rest of the nails. So just hang out with me while I finish up this stamping. I would like to use those Easter eggs, so the image to the right, and just kind of do some reverse stamping with those as well, because I think, you know, with the Easter eggs having pattern, you can color those in. And so again, took a little work, but I think it was worth it in the end. I thought the nails were fabulous. So after I got all of the nails stamped, I did top coat off camera with Madam Glam's the No Wipe top coat. Here are the nails. We're going to go ahead and get these on with sticky tabs. So look, they're just so pretty. Easter egg nails. And you can tell the ones that are magnetized and the ones that aren't. So, you know, here are the nails on. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99 in the springtime. So thank you again to Madam Glam for sending me this wonderful collection of polishes. There's a lot of colors in that collection. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you next time.